injured buzzard on my walk. Just made this beat 56 minutes past 12. So I've used a harmonic minor scale. It's D sharp minor and BPM's 140. I used the guitar from Omnisphere, it's just a nylon guitar. But for a free one, you can just use Ample Guitar Lite. That is good, but to be fair, I just use this because I had it. And it does sound a bit better than Ample Guitar. Ample Guitar is good, but the Lite version, it's okay for free for your brokies. But if you can afford something a bit better, or even just get someone to record a guitar. To be fair, if you go on Fiverr, you can get someone to record a guitar for like £10. I know that doesn't make any sense considering it's called Fiverr, but they are good. They are good. I've done it before as well. This is the guitar loop. So all this is 1-4-5 progression. And pretty much all I've done, like all my guitar melodies. So start with a triad, like that. Next triad chord. And then all you want to do is just put the third up an octave, strum them out, like this. And pretty much you want to add notes that are close, or if not the same as the chord notes. If that makes sense. And then you'll get something that sounds quite cohesive like this. Pretty much it. It's very basic. It took me a while to get stuff like that, but I promise you it's not hard to get once you learn a bit of music theory. 808, just the spins. Now this is just the guitar melody with some effects on it. It's the same guitar melody, but it's just like reverbed out, as you can hear. Then some keys from Labs. Just some reverb on it. So they're just the chords but not strummed out basically. Bit of flavour with SRX World. In fact, do a little melody hack. When you open up FL Studio, you normally always have this thing at the top called a sampler on the channel rack. Now, once you've made your chords, something that I do, that I learned off TikTok, I can't remember the creator's name, but it's not something I've invented myself. You put the chords in the sampler and you copy them up and down a couple of octaves, and that way then when you're making your melodies you can just follow those ghost notes and pretty much you'll make something that sounds good because it's on the chord notes, like I was saying. Because if you make melodies that are within the chord notes, it will just sound a lot better and more cohesive. Another little bit of flavour on this here, it's the flute. And then a layer for the guitar with this sound. I don't really know what it is. This is a string. I think it'd be quite cool for a verse. And then I just did this simple drill hi-hats. The perks. More perks. Kick. The drum pack's from Sessioland and 99 Machiavelli. Very good drum pack. And just load of layered claps basically, pretty much. And yeah. Let you hear it again because it's sick. Oh, and what I did with this bit to make it go all I did was I used Gross Beat, and the preset I used was this. Where is it? Yeah, so it's just a 1-beat gate. Just a quick note, after I recorded that, I just remembered the reason why you can hear the people talking outside is because we have a studio in town, so it's right next to a pub, so you can just hear it. It's the aesthetic, I guess. As well, the one I just recorded has a load of sounds in it, but fine. For some reason, I'm still here. It's now 4 AM. I made this there.